This paper presents learning high-fidelity depth of dressed humans by watching social media dance videos. We present a new method to predict high-fidelity depth and surface normals from a single image of a human. We show the 3D reconstructed surface seen by the front and oblique view. Single view depth prediction has been a widely studied problem. Existing approaches leverage a large-scale dataset, such as ScanNet, to learn the depth. Unfortunately, no such data exists for humans, which is 1 or 2 orders of magnitude smaller than the scene understanding datasets. This poses a key challenge to learn 3D geometry of humans. We address this challenge by leveraging social media dance videos that span diverse appearance, identities, clothing styles, and performances. Our dataset includes more than 300 dance challenge videos, totaling 100,000 images. However, these videos do not have the 3D ground truth. We present a self-supervised learning framework that can utilize these videos. In order to utilize the social media dance videos, we leverage 2 self-supervised signals. First, we use the consistency between surface normal and depth. Why surface normal? Consider a pixel intensity across A and B. X-axis represents pixel coordinate from A to B, and Y-axis represents the pixel intensity where the bump locations corresponds to the wrinkles. Here is the depth trajectory from A to B, which shows a second-order correlation. Unlike depth, surface normal is directly correlated with the pixel intensity, and therefore learning surface normal from an image is beneficial. We use this characteristic of surface normal to enhance depth fidelity by preserving local geometry through surface normal. Given an image of a human, using a neural network, we estimate a depth. By computing the spatial derivatives of depth, we can compute the corresponding surface normal. On the other hand, by leveraging another neural network, we estimate a surface normal. These surface normals, one from prediction and another one from depth derivatives, must be consistent. By enforcing this consistency, we achieve high-fidelity depth. Here we show a comparison between one with surface normal self-supervision and one without. The surface normal self-supervision significantly improves the quality of the depth prediction. Further, we use shape consistency for self-supervision. Given a random pair of images from a sequence, we establish the correspondences for each body part, for example, left lower arm, using dense key points. These correspondences allow us to warp the 3D prediction from one pose to the other pose using 3D transformation, for instance, rigid transformation. This self-supervision ensures that the shape of each body part is consistent along the pose transformation. Here we show a comparison between the one with warping self-supervision and the one without. The shape self-supervision significantly improves the plausibility of the prediction. Here we show some quantitative evaluation of our method compared to the state-of-the-art on 3 different datasets. First, we test on Tang et al. Training data. Our method produces the least error quantitatively and the best prediction qualitatively. Note that Tang et al. Model was trained on this data. Second, we compare against the 3D scanned model dataset called Render People. We again compare against the previous methods, where our method strongly outperforms these methods quantitatively and qualitatively. Note that PyFu and PyFu HD models were trained on this data. At last, we evaluate our method on a third dataset, Velastic et al. Data. Unlike other datasets, this dataset includes an oblique view, which are significantly different from the training data. As we see here, our method is the only one that can generalize to this viewpoint. We demonstrate the performance of our method on social media dance videos. Given an image of a human, we estimate high-fidelity depth and surface normals. We show the body surface geometry seen by the front and side view. Here is another example of our results. We also demonstrate the performance of our method on the internet images. Here we show the reconstructed surface from different views. Here is another example of our results on this image, which is able to reconstruct the complex geometry of the veil over the face. Thank you.